Well, I have a sneak peek what is going to be at the Garden Gallery Ironworks booth here at GardenPalooza. So I'm with Don Sprague, and Don, you always have such cool stuff, so we're going to give people just a little bit of a clue of what's going to be there. So what you got this year?
We've got some fun stuff. We just made up some new rusty stuff this year. This is one of them here. You can just stick it in the garden or stick it in the pot, and you know, you can see the birds all year long.
Aww.
And so it's just an easy piece to get, and you don't have to water it or anything. Don't even have to feed the bird.
But you could even grow something up it, though.
Sure, you can grow something up it.
Definitely.
It would take away.
I love this little kind of seesaw kind of garden art with owls. It's darling.
The owls are just whoo, who's in, you know. So yeah, they're rocking there in the wind. The wind. We've had them before up there at the GardenPalooza with the birds and the little nests and stuff like that. But this year we got some birds, and I think there's some frogs too.
Ah, great. And I know you said rusty, but now this isn't rusty. So is this how everything begins?
This is how it begins, and this comes in raw steel, and then we treat it, and then it starts to rust, and then it'll just continue to rust. And it's a salt treatment, so it's not going to cause any harm to your plants. Okay, and I love this, that this is kind of a grow through for plants that get too tall and fall over, and you could just push it down into the soil and at the length, at the height that you need it. Right, and the one nice thing about this is in the spring people go and get these, that they got them left over from last year, and the legs, they can't find the legs, and
I've had that happen.
One thing and another. So we just made it all one piece.
Yeah, and these towers are really great too. There's all different styles and all different kind of shapes for your garden.
Yeah.
And then they're also they're all going to rust.
These will all rust. You can also get them in powder coat, but rust is one popular way right now.
Nice.
And we've got some different styles this year we've added.
Perfect. And I saw that you have in this section, you have a lot of arbors, and these arbors are really beautiful. They're all kind of different, but are you going to have them at the show today?
Yep. There will be a few arbors up there, yes, for you to look at.
All right, but if you want to come back to the store, there's kind of incentive.
Right. Yeah, we're going to give away a coupon in our booth, so you have to stop by our booth and get a coupon for the store. So you just bring it back to the store the same day, and it'll be worth your trip. It is, and you come shop at the store. And this is a huge store, so if you haven't been there, we're going to go to another section and talk about some other cool stuff. So let's go. Okay. Don, this area has so many arbors here. There's one different from the other. You know, we've got about 20 arbors in the store all total. You know, we've got the portal arbor. Here behind us, we've got the cathedral arbor. Beautiful. Over here, we've got a new arbor, and this is one that we're giving away at the Palooza, just like this one here. And then over here, we got the craftsman arbor, and there's some more back in the corner, some round tops. So, like I say, there's about 20 different arbors in the store. And you can go to either come see William and I, or go to your booth, and you can get an enter to win to this beautiful arbor. Yes, you want to win one of those. Yes, definitely. And, we'll have it here at the store ready for you to pick up right after the show. And you know what, I was out in my garden this weekend, and so I noticed some plants falling over, and you really have solutions to all those kind of problems. Oh, we have addressed that problem. You know, this is one new item here we got. You know, and you just tuck it in tight to the plant, and then it'll keep them from falling over. It spikes down into the ground. There's no tools needed to install it. Right. And then, you know, if you want, we've got the standbys, the old garden poof that we make here. Love that one. And then the cattail one here, and these are just little things that you can train your plants with that are too tall. Right. And don't forget, you can pick up a coupon to come back to the Garden Gallery Ironworks right here in Hubbard, and they have so many things here. They have the farm style, which is still an important trend. See all the other beautiful things you have, and then that artist has beautiful artwork here. Yeah, you know, we just had the Dean Krauser event last weekend, and the store was packed all day long. It's beautiful. And he's a local artist, so we have a good selection of Dean Krauser's products here, along with our farmhouse stuff and just so many other things. Beautiful. So, you know, come out to GardenPalooza today, see everything that the Garden Gallery Ironworks booth has there, and don't forget to come back to the store. Thanks so much, Don. Have a great day. You too.